Download the zunpulse app from Play Store or App Store. Log in or register with your phone number. Connect the zunpulse smart downlight to a power source, and reset it by switching on and off for 5 times. The downlight will start blinking. Go to the zunpulse app. Click on Add Device. Choose Smart Downlight. Click on Next. Enter the details of your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, and click Next. Once the device connects, click on Done. Name the smart device, and click on Done. The smart device will appear on the home screen. Now, you are ready to use the zunpulse smart downlight. On the zunpulse app, go to Quick Action. Click on the downlight to turn it on or off. Under the Devices section, click on Light. Choose your downlight. You may turn the downlight on or off. Change the colors of the light. Change the temperature of the light. Set it to cool, warm or neutral. You also may change the brightness of the light, and choose from different modes. From the options in the top right corner, you may remove the device, rename the device, or share control access to the device with family and friends. Now, you may click on Set Schedules to set routines for your downlight. To set routine, choose the time, days and action and click on Done. Enjoy your zunpulse smart downlight.